Ethiopia, a land of ancient roots and remarkable heritage, has captivated historians for centuries. From the Kingdom of Aksum to the present day, Ethiopia's story is one of resilience and innovation. Ethiopia's unique position in the Horn of Africa has always made it a cultural crossroads. This vibrant civilization is known for its ancient traditions that continue to thrive today. Ethiopia's commitment to preserving its rich heritage is evident in its art and architecture. Join us as we explore the many facets of the Ethiopian civilization. The Aksumite Empire was a powerful kingdom known for its trade networks. It was a hub for commerce, exchanging gold and ivory with distant lands. The legacy of Aksum's impressive architectural feats is still visible today. Religious tolerance flourished in Aksum, paving the way for diverse beliefs. Ethiopia was among the first nations to adopt Christianity, shaping its cultural identity. The Aksumite influence can be seen throughout Ethiopia's ongoing traditions. Ethiopia's artistic expression showcases its cultural depth and history. From intricate weavings to vibrant paintings, each piece tells a story. Music and dance form the heart of Ethiopian communal life. Festivals celebrate Ethiopia's rich tapestry of customs and traditions. The Ethiopian cuisine, full of flavors, reflects its cultural heritage. Art and culture remain integral to Ethiopia's identity and continuity. Throughout history, Ethiopia has faced numerous challenges, yet its spirit endures. Colonialism and modern conflicts tested its unity and heritage. Ethiopia's rich traditions have acted as a beacon of hope in turbulent times. The Ethiopian people are known for their hospitality, welcoming all with open arms. Their adaptability has allowed them to preserve their identity amidst global influence. Ethiopia stands as a testament to resilience, culture, and identity. Ethiopia's legacy lives on in its language, traditions, and beliefs. Global recognition of Ethiopia's contributions is vital for future generations. Ethiopia teaches us the value of resilience and cultural pride. Their journey inspires actions for preservation and appreciation of culture. As we reflect on Ethiopia, the impact of its civilization is clear. Ethiopia remains a symbol of endurance and cultural richness in our world.